So as you can see, as I was saying to Jad, from now till the end of the year, till June, I think, we will be solving exercises in every Zoom session together. So this is a very good thing for you that we are done with all our lessons, and we will be revising exercises and solving exercises together from the guide that I told you about at the beginning of the year. So as you can see in semester 3, this is worksheet number 2. This is worksheet solution. And as you can see here, I have the title, which is analytic geometry. What do we mean by analytic geometry? By analytic geometry, we mean we will be solving exercises about coordinate system, but in the same exercise we will be having things related to geometry. We will be sharing also in the coordinate system. We will be seeing exercises in which we have something related to circles, something related to quadrilaterals. These we studied them in geometry, so we will connect between geometry and coordinate system. So this is what we called analytic geometry. يعني ما تخافوا, don't panic when you see this title, because it's not a new lesson. We know geometry, we know coordinate system, so now we will be talking about both in the same exercise. So this is what we mean by analytic geometry. So now I will start with the first exercise. I wanted in this exercise to revise again with you square roots, the real numbers that we took in the beginning of the grade 9, because I don't want you to forget what we did in this lesson, which is the real numbers or the square roots. So exercise number 1, please. And exercise number 1, I want Adam to read the exercise. Yes, Adam, read exercise number 1, please. Adam. Adam, please read exercise, unmute and read exercise number 1. اللي بعيط له ما بيعمل unmute رح اعمل له remove من الكلاس. انا اخذت اذن يعني اني اعمل remove لحيلا تلميذ ما بيسمع ما بيرد اذا عيطت له. I will give you another chance, Adam. Please read exercise number 1, Adam. Okay, وينو Adam? All participants. Adam. Yeah. Adam is removed. So I want, يلا ياسمينة, read exercise number 1. ياسمينة.
Okay, Miss. ABC is a triangle such that AB is equal to radical 72 minus radical 50.
Yes.
BC is equal to radical 5 squared minus 3 squared over radical 50 minus radical 18.
Yes.
AC is equal to radical 3 minus radical 2 over radical 3 minus 1.
So Yasmina, we are given a triangle ABC. We know in every triangle we have 3 sides, right?
Yes.
So triangle ABC, the sides are AB, AC, and BC. What we should prove is, yes, read the question, Yasmina, show that.
Show that ABC is an equilateral triangle.
So we should show that ABC is an equilateral triangle. Yasmina, before we start, you should ask yourself, لحتى تكوني عارفة أنت على شو بدك تفتشي، صح؟ لازم تعرفي حالك كيف لازم تبلشي، لحتى تخلصي صح لازم نبلش صح. فإذا هون يلا مش ببلش التعفيس ويلا ومنبلش نعفس، لا. هون كتير مهم. It's very important to ask ourselves an important question, which is,
Sorry.
don't worry, Alex, don't worry. So we should ask don't worry, Alex. So we should ask ourselves a very important question, which is, what does an equilateral triangle have, Yasmina?
It has 3 equal sides.
Bravo. So an equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. In any equilateral triangle, we have 3 equal sides. So to show that ABC is an equilateral triangle, I should prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, right?
Yes.
If you look at AB and BC and AC, Yasmina, if you look at these 3, do you see them equal to each others?
No.
No, they are not equal to each others. So I should do something to prove that they are equal, right?
Yes.
So let's look at AB. AB equal radical 72 minus radical 50. Can we subtract radical 72 and radical 50?
Yes.
Can we subtract them?
Miss, we do prime factorization.
قبل برافو، بس قبل عم بسألك سؤال قبل ما تعملي البرايم فاكتورايزيشن يا ياسمينة. If you look at radical 72 and radical 50, can we subtract different radicands?
No.
So we should make them same radicands. مثل ما عم بتقولي انت, to make them same radicands, what should we do for 72 and 50?
Prime factorization.
Bravo, this is the first step. So this is the prime factorization of 72, as you see it here to the right. So this is the prime factorization of 72, and beside it is the prime factorization of 50. So we do the prime factorization of 72 and the prime factorization of 50. Now I replace 72 by how much, Yasmina? 2 cube.
2 cubed times 3 squared.
Bravo. And 50 by?
2 times 5 squared.
Bravo, sir. Now it is like that. Now I should simplify the inside. Can I simplify 2 cube directly, or I should do another thing for 2 cube?
We should make it odd times.
Bravo, Yasmina. So we make it 2 times 2 square, you mean, right?
Yes.
Now, can I take this 2 outside?
No.
Can I take 2 squared outside?
Yes.
It becomes what?
2.
Bravo. Can we take 3 squared outside?
Yes.
It becomes
3.
Bravo. In this one, can we take 2 outside?
No.
5 square?
Yes, it becomes 5.
Bravo. So I take 2 outside, it becomes 2 times 3 radical 2 minus 5 radical 2. Now what is 2 times 3 outside?
6 radical 2.
Minus 5 radical 2. Now we can subtract, Yasmina, because here we have radical 2 and here we have radical 2. So we can subtract the same radicands. What is 6 minus 5?
1 radical 2.
Do we write 1 radical 2?
No.
No.
But
so
radical 2.
Bravo. So AB now is equal to radical 2. AB is equal to radical 2. Thank you, Yasmina. Let me quickly move to Jad. يلا يا جاد.
Yes, miss.
يلا يا جاد. هلا تاني وحدة the second
the
one.
screen is J. The screen is J question. It's block under.
اعمل ريفرش ارجع هيدا.
بظهر برجع بفوت؟
لا اعمل ريفرش للصفحة. طب إذا بدك أظهر ارجع فوت ما بيأثر.
اوكي.
يلا نطريتك.
اوكي.
Okay, so let me now talk to Mahdi. Yes, Mahdi.
يا مس.
يلا يا مهدي. أنت فتت شوي مأخر ما بيأثر يا مهدي. I am given a triangle ABC. This is AB,
Yeah,
this is
because of my
BC,
problem.
and this is AC. We should show that ABC is an equilateral triangle. So AB now is equal to radical 2. BC Mahdi, we have radical 5 squared minus 3 squared over radical 50 minus radical 18. BC لازم أنا ظبط لها شكلها ما تكون هيك صح؟
Yeah.
يلا يا مهدي. مهدي بدي أسألك سؤال كتير مهم. فيك تجاوبني؟
Yeah.
يلا مهدي. We know we can simplify a radical if inside we have a square, right?
Miss, can you repeat that?
Okay.
Your voice.
Okay, we can simplify a radical or a square root if inside it we have something square, right?
Yes.
Okay, if you look at this here, Mahdi, we have radical 5 squared minus 3 squared. كيف بدك تعمل لها جوابها هيدي يا مهدي؟ شو بتعمل هون؟ بتظهر ال 5 سكويرد بتصير 5 وبتظهر ال 3 سكويرد بتصير 3؟ فينا نعمل هيك؟ Okay, I want to ask a question to all of you if you can answer. Here I can get 2 squared outside, it becomes 2. Here, can we get 5 squared outside, it becomes 5, and the 3 squared outside, it becomes 3? Can we do this, guys?
No.
Why no?
Also, we have minus.
Bravo! Since we have a minus between the 5 squared and the 3 squared, we cannot get 5 squared outside to become 5 or 3 squared to become 3. I can get them out if we have multiplication between them. But since we have a minus, we should find the answer of 5 squared. What is 5 squared? Who can tell me?
25.
مين عم يحكي؟
25.
مريم؟
Yes.
يلا يا
Yes.
مريم كملي. So 5 squared is 25 minus 3 squared is
9.
9.
9. Now, so I have 25 minus 9. Radical 50, how can I simplify it?
By prime factorization.
This is the prime factorization of 50. So we write 2 times 5 squared, right?
Yes.
Now radical 18, we should do the prime factorization of 18. This is the prime factorization of 18. 2 times the 3 squared. So here we write 2 times the 3 squared. This is what we get, right, guys?
Yes.
Now what is 25 minus 9?
A 16.
It
Radical
is 16. Now down here, can we get 5 squared outside? It becomes what?
Two.
كيف 2؟ إذا ظهرنا 5 squared لبرا, it becomes what?
5.
So 5 radical 2 minus 3 squared outside, it becomes?
A 3.
3. Now 16. Can we write 16 as a perfect squared or no?
Yes.
So what is the square of 16? شو العدد اللي بعمله square?
4 squared. 4
It is
squared.
what? It is
4 squared.
4 squared. بس لحظة شوي. So it is 4 squared. So we write radical 16 as radical 4 squared. And 5 radical 2 minus 3 radical 2, it is 2 radical 2. Now 4 squared comes out how much?
2.
2. So, no, it becomes 4. The squared cancels the radical. It
Yes.
becomes what?
4.
4. So we get 4 over 2 radical 2. Do I stop here or I have to continue?
We continue.
شو بنعمل هلا؟
We cancel 4 and 2.
So I will get 2 over radical 2.
2 over radical 2.
Now, do I stop here?
No.
What do we do?
We multiply the times radical 2 over radical 2.
ليه؟ شو بتكوني عم تعملي يا مريم؟ رشنا؟
Rationalize.
Bravo,
Rationalize
Let's
the
solve
because
the power
denominator.
one
yes,
out.
because in the denominator we have radical 2, we should
Yes.
rationalize this fraction. So we multiply by radical 2 over radical 2. We get 2 radical 2 over
2
radical 2
over radical
squared.
2.
Yes. So if you look, the answer of AB is radical 2. The answer of BC is
Radical 2.
صاروا اثنين بيساووا بعض. Now let us see the answer of AC. يلا خلينا نطلع على AC. Can we simplify 6? اللي بيعرف يجاوب. Can we simplify 6 guys?
We can make
Guys.
prime
Yes. Yes. Prime
طب
factorization.
إذا عملنا لها البرايم فاكتورايزيشن ل 6 هي 2 times 3 يعني بتتحول لشيء سكويرد.
No.
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 فإذا عملنا لها simplify مثل قليتها. So we leave it radical 6. Radical 2 ما فينا نعمل لها simplify. Radical 3 ما فينا نعمل لها simplify. If we look at this is a fraction. Look at the denominator. We have radical 3 minus 1. Bravo, we should rationalize. So to rationalize, what do we multiply by how much?
Radical 3 plus 1 over radical 3
Yes,
plus 1.
we multiply by the conjugate radical 3 plus 1 over
Yes.
radical 3 plus 1. انتم ملاحظين شغلة؟ هون ما قال لي simplify، هون ما قال لي calculate and simplify، هون ما قال لي rationalize، بس نحن من شكلهم لازم نعرف شو لازم نعمل. عم تفهموا علي شو عم بحكي يا جماعة؟
Yes.
Yes.
يعني من شكلها للي عاطيني اياها لازم نعرف شو لازم نعمل فيها للي عاطينا اياها. So now if we multiply, look what we get. اكيد في هون عندنا calculation. Look at the answer. The answer is radical 2. So I got AB is equal to radical 2, BC is equal to radical 2, AC is equal to radical 2. So since AB is equal to BC is equal to AC equal to radical 2, so we get the triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. مش الحال؟
Yes.
Alex, did you get this question?
A bit. I'm still going to practice a bit, you know? Like after class is over, I'm still going to try and revise.
Yes, Alex, it's not a matter of revision. It's a matter of solving it again. You should solve
Oh,
the
yes,
questions.
of course, miss. I'm going to try and solve it in different forms so I can properly understand it.
Yes, of course. If you solve the exercise again, you can understand it well.
Yeah.
حدا عنده سؤال؟
Not sure what that means, but yes.
Okay. I am asking them, Alex, if they have a question. Fadel, do you have a question about this? Fadel.
عطش الصوت.
فاضل do you have a question؟ فهمتوا لهيدا السؤال منيح؟ Okay. Yasmina, did you get this question?
Yes, Miss.
Everything is fine with this question?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
everything's correct.
Okay. Abbas.
Miss.
Yes.
فهمت هيدا السؤال منيح حبيبي؟
Yes.
اوكي، مين قال مس انا وعم بحكي مع عباس؟
لا أنا بدي أقولك شي عن جد إنه كرمال ما عم يقدر يفوت على الزوم.
ايه ما بعت لي على التليفون. ايه ما بعرف، هي المشكله من عنده انترنت
أوكي.
مش من عندي انا، انه عم يعطيه ويتنج
من
الكونكشن.
عنده.
الكونكشن من عنده هو، ما انا هلا قلت له المشكله من عندك انت. ما عم بحكي معاه، عم بتواصل معاه لجد. حبيبتي لانا، عندك شي سؤال عن
أوكي.
هيدا الكويستشن يا لانا؟
لا لا.
ماشي الحال؟ عم ترجعي بتحليهم مره ثانيه
Yes.
للاسئله لحالك؟
من الشامل كمان.
ها؟
من الشامل مثل جاد إنه الورك شيت ومن الشامل.
ايه اوكي طيب. Let me move now to question number 2. Question number 2, I want فاطمة. فاطمة مناع. فاطمة أنا عم بعمل ريموف للأشخاص اللي حاضرين بس مش عم بيردوا علي. قبل شوي عملت ريموف لآدم. Please unmute and answer فاطمة. فاطمة أنا عم جرب أعمل لك unmute بس ما عم يمشي الحال. فاطمة. رينا. رينا.
Yes, miss.
يلا خليكي unmuted رينا. خليكي unmuted.
Okay.
Okay, read question. Read question number 2 يا رينا يلا.
Question number 2. In an orthonormal system, axis x prime o x, y prime o y. Consider the points A minus 2, 1, B minus 2, 5, and C 1, 1.
ايه اقري بارت ايه يا رينا.
Continue.
ايه اقري
Okay.
بارت ايه.
Plot the points A, B, and C.
So أول شيء يا رينا we should
Plot the
plot
points A, B,
we
and
should
C.
plot the points A, B and C in this system of axes. يلا طلعي كيف بدنا نعمل plot. A is minus 2 1 minus 2 على x axis ولا على y axis يا رينا؟
X-axis.
So this is minus 2 على x axis. 1 على y axis. This is 1 on y axis. So if I draw a vertical and a horizontal,
Yes.
I will get this is point A. Now point B is minus 2 3. Minus 2 abscissa. So this is also minus 2 abscissa. رجعت حطيت
Yes.
أنا باللون الثاني الأزرق. And 3 ordinate. This is sorry 5 ordinate. This is the 5 ordinate. So if I draw a vertical line and a horizontal line from the minus 2 and 5, I get B here. Now point C is 1 1. So it has 1 abscissa, 1 ordinate. This is the 1 abscissa here. This is the 1 ordinate. Also, this is point C. So this is point A, this is point B, this is point C. إيش الحال يا رينا؟
Yes, miss.
اوكي خليكي معي يا رينا. Calculate A, B.
Okay.
We should calculate A, B, A, C and B, C. نحن أخذنا we have taken a rule how to calculate a segment or a length in a system of axes. What is the rule to calculate
Yes.
A, B يا رينا؟ A, B is equal to what?
We should distance.
Distance. شو قاعدة الديستنس؟ A, B is equal to
must we put a radical?
برافو. big radical. يلا قريها يا رينا حطيتها قدامك. big radical.
Parenthesis inside the radical.
يلا.
Yes.
اقريها.
Okay. XA minus XB
all of it squared
plus YA minus all of it squared. YA minus YB all of it squared.
So XA minus XB all of it squared plus YA minus YB all of it squared. Now we replace XA, we replace XB, we replace YA, we replace YB. Please guys, don't forget the rule how we calculate a distance or a length in a system of axes. هيدي الرول كتير عم نستعملها. Now we replace. So after replacing, XA is minus 2, XB is minus 2 because we have a minus, so we replace it between parentheses. YA is 1, YB is 5. Now, negative times negative is positive, so I get minus 2 plus 2, all of it squared. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Now, negative 2 plus 2, what is the answer of negative 2 plus 2, guys?
0.
So we get
0.
0 squared and negative 4 squared is 16. So I get radical 16. And we know that 16 can be written as a perfect squared. It is written as 4 squared. Now the squared cancels the radical, so AB is 4. So that the length of AB is equal to 4. Now we should calculate, Serene, the length of AC. Ready, Serene? Serene? Serene فلت أحسن. يلا يا سارة, we should calculate the length of AC.
Yes. AC radical is equal to radical x لل A minus ال x لل C all of it squared plus ال y لل A plus ال y minus ال y لل C all of it squared.
Bravo. Now we replace XA by negative 2. We replace XC by 1. We replace YA by 1. And we replace YC by 1. Now negative 2, negative 1. What will be the answer of negative 2, negative 1, ya Sarah?
Negative 3
So
squared.
negative 3, all of it squared, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Negative 3 squared is 9, and 0 squared is 0, so we get radical 9. 9, Sarah, can we write it as a perfect squared?
3 squared.
Bravo, 3
Radical
squared.
squared.
The squared cancels the radical, so AC is equal to how much?
3.
Bravo. Now I want to go to Abbas. We should calculate, Abbas, the length of BC.
Yes. Okay. Okay. BC is equals big radical. Okay, big radical XB minus XC all of it squared plus YB minus YC all of it squared.
Bravo. XB, we replace it by negative 2. XC, we replace it by 1. YB, we replace it by 5. Minus YC, we replace it by 1. Now, Abbas, negative 2, negative 1 is?
Negative 3.
5 minus 1?
4.
So, negative 3 squared, شو الأنسر اللي إلها؟
4.
هلا, negative 3 squared?
9.
4 squared?
16.
9 plus 16?
25.
Radical 25. Can we write a 25 as a perfect squared?
Yes.
شو هي؟
5 square.
Bravo. Now the squared cancels the radical, we get 5. So now we have the length of AB is 4, the length of AC is 3, the length of BC is 5. Let us look at part C. What is the nature of a triangle ABC? We should justify. So we should say, what is the kind or the nature of a triangle ABC? Is it right? Is it isosceles? Is it equilateral? Is it semi-equilateral? I don't know. نحن هون عندنا 3 sides. AB is 4, AC is 3, BC is 5. رح أعلمكم كيف تعرفوا هيدا السؤال. اسمعوا كتير منيح. مننقي أكبر لينث. مين أكبر لينث؟ AB, AC ولا BC؟
BC.
BC.
So we choose the greatest length and we get its square. So if BC is 5, what is BC square?
25.
25, bravo. Now we get the square of AB. What is AB squared? 4 squared is?
16.
Okay, we get the square of AC. AC is 3. What is AC square? 3 square is?
9.
9. إذا بتلاحظوا أكبر واحد يلي هو ال BC squared which is 25, leave it as سامعيني؟
Yes.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes.
خلص I will stop. هو رجع عمل rejoining لحاله من أول وجديد على فكرة. Our time is over. أنا كنت عم بكتب لكم. See you all tomorrow. Okay guys? Thank you for joining today. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye miss. Bye.